Nasreen has been selected as the first female Asian Labour candidate for Queen's Park in Bedford. She has lived in Bedford over 30 years and as a mature student, she graduated with an honours degree and completed a professional graduate certificate in education to become a qualified teacher in learning and skills. She has 4 children, 3 of whom have also graduated from university, and she is also a school governor at her local school. Nasreen has also worked in the welfare to work sector, understands the need of the local people and feel that it is extremely important to hear the views of the local people. She is presently a teacher and enjoys helping people of all walks of life. She passionately cares for her community and works hard to get things done. Nasreen is determined to do all she can to make Queen's Park a safe and pleasant place to live, work and visit.
Hello, my name is Nasreen Akhtar. I have been selected as the first Asian female Labour candidate for Queen's Park in Bedford. I have been working alongside Councillor Masood to sort out the issues in our local area. I graduated from the University of Bedfordshire with the honours degree, and I am a governor at our local school. Also, 3 of my children have also graduated from the University of Bedfordshire. And I would like to make Queen's Park a better place to live and work for everybody in the community. I would like to thank Urdu Global News UK for their hard work and dedication.